To get this post to stay where it needs to stay, I'm going to use this fast setting concrete mix. And as you can see right here, no mix required when setting posts. So I'm going to do what's called a dry mix. I'm going to pour this bag, and I have another half bag, into the hole, make sure it's plumb, and add water to it, and eventually it's going to set. So I have my 4-foot level here ready. I'm going to open up a bag and start pouring it in. I'm going to hold the post where it needs to be and just start pouring this in. It's automatically pouring for me. I'm just checking it, keeping it plumb. It's gonna be loose like this. Don't worry about it. And you could fill this whole thing up with concrete if you wanted, but I think that's gonna be plenty. But you know what? I am gonna do one thing, go a little above and beyond. Now, just add water. And taking like a broomstick handle just to pack this in there. And I'm going to check it as I do this. I'll add more water. And in the instructions, it does say to add or fill the hole 1/3 full of water and then add the bags. But as long as it gets saturated, it's fine. And it says that excess water is not going to be a problem. I'm assuming because it's going to just drain right through into the ground, get soaked up. Now, if you wanted to, you could fill this entire thing up, and especially if you are using like a wooden base or 4x4, whatever, you can fill this all the way up and then kind of slope the concrete away from the post. I would also recommend treating the post before you put it in, maybe doing some rubberized coating or something. This is going to start to set up probably in about 30 minutes. So we're just going to keep checking it, moving it. And even if you don't fill this hole up all the way, you can kind of slope the concrete still down here. But this is aluminum, so I'm not going to worry about it. And I'm not going to wait. I'm just going to fill the hole once I'm satisfied that it is fully saturated. But I'm also going to check as I do this, and then I'm going to use the broomstick to make sure that this hole gets filled completely. Oh yeah, it's setting up already. And I have a little extra of this, so might as well use it up. This may end up sinking a little bit, so you could overfill it if you wanted to.